show you how to make strawberry ice cream the easy way with no ice cream mixing machine other than a few simple things in your kitchen such as a blender, a spatula, and a few other simple things. So stick around. For this recipe, you will need some frozen strawberries, a can of full-fat whipping cream, some coconut oil, bean powder, vanilla, sea salt, and some sugar. If you want to find the measurements for all of these ingredients, you could go to berkeleychefs.com/strawberry ice cream. So we're going to take out our blender machine and plug it in.
Hi, I'm Caleb and I have a quick word to tell you. We love to share recipes that we make with you viewers. But in order to do so, you must support us so we can continue sharing these delicious, scrumptious recipes. So go on over to berkeleychefs.com/get-your-gear and get your gear and a gear for someone else that you like. And that will help support us. Thank you very much. Bye!
First, we're going to dump our frozen strawberries into the blender. We are going to put in our cane sugar next, and we will blend that all together. And there we go, we're done blending. So I blend our own till it's become a puree as you just saw, and it looks good. So let's proceed to putting our coconut cream, full fat whipping cream, into the blender. Okay, now let's put it in. The one I'm using is, as I mentioned before, is full fat whipping cream. It's full cream, you don't want no liquids in it that much, especially since the strawberries are already liquid and you don't want your recipe being too liquid. Hi there! I'm here to tell you the benefits of strawberries. Number 1, strawberries may improve the function of your heart because it is high in heart-healthy antioxidants. Benefit number 2, strawberries may improve brain function because it is rich in iodine. Number 3, strawberries can protect the skin from pollution and UV damage. Number 4, eating strawberries can help prevent eye conditions like dryness. Number 5, eating strawberries can help lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. Number 6, strawberries are great fruit to eat at any time, and it can also help you lose weight. That's the benefits I have to tell you for this time, and we'll be back to the cooking of the recipe. And we're going to blend until everything becomes creamy. Let's put it in. We're going to give it a quick mix and then put it back to blending. Perfect. And we're going to put in our powders, the beet powder, and our vanilla and sea salt, and our coconut oil. Now we're going to blend it all together. The smell of this is just so amazing. It's so vibrant berry flavor you can smell, and the color looks amazing. So let's move this aside quickly and put it in our pan. We're putting this cling wrap over our strawberry ice cream to prevent freezer burn. It's a good thing. Wait, there's ice cream. I love ice cream. Well then, we're gonna get tasting.
I think
This me too. This ice cream is creamy, it's sweet, it has that berry kick to it that you can taste in it, and it's pretty enjoyable on a hot day.
it tastes really good, Elijah.
Try making this recipe, it's very simple. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and we appreciate you guys taking the time to watch our videos, and we'll see you in another video next time. Bye!